Welcome back to another exciting tutorial episode in our food menu plugin series. Today we will learn how to add food add-ons using the food menu plugin. Go to the settings, then general and enable online ordering. Then go to the products add-on, enable these options. Next, go to the product add-ons and then click on add to. From here you can include your categories, menu items for any specific item. Then select your type. Next, provide your title according to your preference. And from the below, you will get some other options for adding. For example, you can include extra sauce and set your quantity. This way, you can add as many extra add-ons as you like, setting the title and quantity for each one. In other words, you can create and configure the extra add-on options you want to offer your customers for a specific menu item. For example, we just created add-ons for a burger as our main item. Similarly, you can select another menu items as the main product and by clicking Add Group. While done, then click on Save Changes. Now let's visit our site to see. So far, we have created and customized the online food ordering system along with product add-ons for menu items. Here it is. Let's click on it and you can see the details from here. And right here we can clearly see our created all food add-ons. Let's back to there again. Now we will create another group for different add-ons. So let's click on Add Group and then include your menu items. Select your type and for the title provide your desired title, for example, dessert. In the next, nothing new. Follow the same process for the options like earlier. Provide your desired extra add-ons name, for example ice cream, and set your quantity. Click on Add Options for the next. Now set your quantity. If you want, you can add your more extra add-ons. While done, then click on Save Changes. Now let's visit the site to see the difference. Reload the page, click on your specific menu item and see here our dessert add-ons. This is how you can actually add more group for your add-ons. Now let's create another group for drinks add-on. Same process are available like previous. Only the changes is the title. Set your title name like drinks and go to the below in the options for your extra add-ons. Provide your add-on name and set quantity. After making your extra add-on, then click on Save Changes. Now let's back to there. Reload the page. And here it is. Our drinks add-on, dessert add-on and food add-ons are all together including in the main menu item. Now customers can select their main food item along with their preferred add-ons and add everything to the cart. Once added, it is ready for checkout. If they click the checkout options, they will see an order form with all the order details. After filling it out, they just click Place Order and instantly an order invoice is generated showing all item details, price and billing information. If you want to keep the same add-ons and include them in another category, then how will you do it? Let's see. Just simple. Just include your dessert category name. For example, lunch. You can make it for other categories. Let's click on here and remove the specific menu item. In this way, remove all the specific items wherever they were included and keep it only in the category. That's it. It will be done. While it will be completed, then click on Save Changes and back to the store to visit it. And here you will see all the menu for the lunch. If you click on any menu, let's open the menu. Click on your desired menu items to open in the another tab. And here you can see all the items included in the lunch category are showing these extra add-ons. Let's open and try another one. The same here as well. Customer can select their add-ons for their lunch. And this is how you can add your food add-ons using the food menu plugin. Thank you for watching.